Students, today I am going to start the new chapter, Chapter 7 Geometry. Now let's see about the basic concept of geometry first. The first concept of geometry is point. Now what do you mean by point? A point shows an exact location. It is the basic unit of geometry. It has no dimension, that is, no length, no breadth and no height. Point is represented by the dot and named with a capital letter. For example, here you can see one point and I have named it with a capital letter A. The vertex of any shape is also called as a point. For example, you can see the triangle and these are the three vertex of triangle. Each vertex of triangle we also call as point. Here you can see the shape of square. The square has four vertex and these vertex are also called as points. The next concept of geometry is line segment. Now what do you mean by line segment? Line segment is a straight path between 2 points. It has a definite length and line segment AB can be written as like this. AB with the symbol of line segment on the top of AB. Now let's see what do you mean by line. Line segment is a part of a line. Line goes indefinitely in both the direction. It has no fixed length and line AB can be written as like this. See the symbol of lines, how I have written AB, arrow-headed line in both the direction on the top of AB. Now see the next concept of geometry, that is ray. Ray is also a part of line. It has a starting point and it goes on indefinitely in the other direction. It has no fixed length. Ray AC can be written as AC and ray on the top of AC. Based on this, let us discuss the exercise 7.1. Question number A. Join the dots. How many line segment can be formed by joining 2 points, 3 points, 4 points and 5 points? Student, look at here. Here 2 points are given to you, right? And you are asked to join the dots and further they are asked to you how many line segment you can form by joining the 2 points. So how many line segment we can form by joining the 2 points? See here, only one line segment we can form by joining the 2 points. How many line segment we can form by joining the 3 points? 1, 2 and 3. 3 line segment we can form by joining the 3 points. Next, how many line segment we can form by joining the 4 points? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 line segment we can form. And the last, how many line segment we can form by joining the 5 points? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the question number B. Count and write the number of segment, lines and ray. See the first figure. In this figure you are asked to count and write the number of line segment. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many line segments are there? 4 line segment. Look at the second figure. In this figure we are asked to count and write the number of lines. Now let us see. 1, 2. Only 2 lines are there, right? This is not a line. This is a ray because its one end is fixed and it goes indefinitely in another direction. So there are only 2 lines. And now come to the third figure. How many rays are there? See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total 4 rays are there.